Have you had a hard time finding disinfectant wipes at the store?
Want to stay clean during the quarantine?
Introducing Insanitizing Wipes! Here's what you're gonna need.
Paper towels,
A bowl and a whisk,
distilled water,
vinegar,
isopropyl alcohol,
dish soap,
a coffee can,
essential oils like tea tree,
a knife,
and a measuring cup. Step 1. Cut the paper towels in half. Next, shove those paper towels into your coffee can. It's time to mix your ingredients. Pour a half a cup of distilled water into the bowl. Next, let's go for about a half a cup of that isopropyl alcohol. If you thought isopropyl alcohol was stinky, get ready for the vinegar. Let's try a quarter of a cup. You ready to make this stinky mixture smell better? Let's throw in some dish soap. Like good smelling stuff? Well, guess what? There's more. Tea tree oil. You guessed it, it's time to whisk.
It's a whisk I'm willing to take.
That's the spirit. Are you ready to pour?
Now you can pull out the paper towel tube.
Tubular. There you have it.